Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channels. Guys, on this video we will see the entire process on the Jam, how we can purchase the order and how can create an invoice and how we can generate the bill. So first we have to log on the Jam portal. After log on the Jam portal, you have to come on this platform. Here we have to purchase some items. Suppose we have to search one UPS inverters, so I have to search that items in all categories. Alright, so UPS inverter we have to purchase, and we have to see the entire process of the purchasing. So here I have to click. After click, we have to receive different product. Actually, in some of cases, if you not getting the items, then what you have to do, you put some keywords on the search bar. After sometimes the item will show in the drop menu. So here I search the UPS inverter and I getting the different specifications UPS here. So according to my requirement, I have to select the filters which is facilitated on the right side of the menu, and as well as the left side, silver and golden parameters you can select. So according to requirement, I have to choose the UPS inverters. Okay, so suppose I required this inverter, so I have to click on that, and I can see the specifications also, the entire product specification I can check. So I have to click on that. After click on that, I have see the entire specification of the product. So I have to verify it, and if it is suitable, then I have to buy this product. So I have to see all the technical specification of the product, and after buy we have to further options: direct purchase and bid slant RA. So if the item cost is below to 25,000, then we can go directly for the direct purchase. Otherwise we have to, if suppose item cost is more than 25,000, then we require to the different bids and RN system. So we have to select that direct purchase. Then we have two options of the delivery locations, means consignee name and address required to put up, and select the buy options. Okay, after buy we have to further options, view all cart and proceed to checkout. So before proceed checkout, I want to mention here one thing, that if you purchasing many item from the Jams on the single time, then what you have to do, that you have to add cart all the items together, so that it will be easy for in the purchasing as well as in the bill processing. So what you have to do, you see view all cards. So here you can see that I can select here two items together. So I have to bill, means I have to purchase both the items together, so it will be easy to billing for easily actually. So I also suggest, if you want to purchase the different category product on the Jam portal, then what you have to do, you have to select and add cart together, and if it is cost less than 25,000, then you have to proceed, means you can check out on the single times. So it will be easy for the bill process. So here you can see that I have want to purchase two different items, so I have to add cart together actually. Alright, so here we have to select, and now we have to proceed to checkout. Okay, now I have to go in the shopping carts, and if you go into shopping carts, and you see that I have the different product in the view all the cards. So view of the cards, I have the different products. So suppose we have to take one of the product, and we see the entire process. So suppose this item I want to purchase. So here the option was proceed to checkout. Okay, so I have to click on that, then go to direct purchase, again to click on yes. Okay, after yes, there is the reasons we can to mention as per requirement, or whatever you want to mention. Okay, go to continue. After continue buttons, we have to require some details which require to fill up, like your competent approval authority designations and your financial approval letter. So it is required to upload in the PDF. Okay, so it is required to upload and required to click on continue button. Okay, so that file, the competent approval in the PDF, so that will be uploaded, and click on the continue button. Okay, after click on the continue buttons, we have to further options of generate a contract. So it should be accept, and okay, further we have to options for verify. So we have to verify the OTP which is comes on the buyer ID mobile number. So guys, this was the if you submit the OTP, then your supply order of this particular product will successfully placed on the JAM portal. Okay, so that was the process for the placing order. Now we have to go to again dashboard, go to all product, and all product. You have to see all the product which we have to supply order have been placed. If the item have been successfully delivered here, after delivered we have to see the process order. Okay, if the seller have been sent the items, and if you suppose the received the item, then you have to further option for the process order. So it is required to click. After click, there is an option for process of CRSC, but before process CRSC we have to generate the invoice options that you can to click on the invoice options. Okay, and it is required to print out because the invoice is required for the billing process. It is important. So some of the cases there's a link also available, so you can click and download the invoice of the product. So before process the CRSC, we have to print that invoice. Okay, then we have to go for the CRSC. So here I can print this invoice. Okay, then again I come to the option process to CRSC. I have to click on that. CRSC is basically consign receiving notes. So the required details, inspected authority self, or who is the inspected authority, we have to select and save and do the continue. So with this process we have to basically CRSC has been generated successfully. Then it is required to be verified. So again it is submitted the OTP. After submit the OTP, your CRSC will generate successfully. Okay, so this is one kinds of process. Then again we have to go on the dashboard. We have to see this processor we have to see for the CRSC. Okay, so this was one of the process. Now you have come to all product order, and here is the option of all contract. You have to click on that and contract, and you have to download this contract of this particular product. So guys, this was the entire procedures from the purchase to billing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. If you are new on channels, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.